Hey guys, it's time to talk about the iPhone 10. Senior analyst at Digitimes, Luke Lin has been keeping an eye on Apple's supply chain and believes he has the floor plan of the next generation iPhones. He divides them by screen size and type, but memory capacities also play a role. The successor to the iPhone 10 will stick to an OLED display of just about the same size. However, Apple managed to get the bills of materials down 10% from the $412.75 of the current model. The OLED display accounted for a big chunk of that, which is why there was a 5.85-inch LCD model in development, but that was paused for Lunar New Year holidays and maybe dropped entirely. It seems that Apple managed to talk the price down enough to stick with OLED, even though it had to reduce its orders from Samsung Display, which left it in a tricky negotiating position. While it takes after the iPhone 10, Lin believes the 5.85-inch OLED model will be Apple's cheapest offering, with a 6.1-inch LCD iPhone sitting in the middle. This is based on larger RAM capacities in recent prototypes compared to the OLED model. The top of the line will use an OLED display too, quite a larger one, 6.45-inch. Lin doesn't say anything about notches. Presumably, Apple will keep using different camera setups to differentiate iPhone models beyond the screen and memory, but the exact selection is a question mark at the moment. Now your turn. Let me know what are you guys thinking about it in the comments down below, and make sure to subscribe to this channel for the upcoming daily tech videos, and I'll catch you guys next one. See you soon.
Okay.